God. Hi guys. Na-play na pala. Wait. Hi guys. So, kita nyo akong damas. We're here now again. Again, no, not again. First time in Al-Hasa Mall.
Al-Hasa Mall.
Hapon, nasa Lulu kami. Ngayon nasa...
Naglulu siya.
Basta siya dito kasama ko guys. Ngayon, dito kami sa Al-Hasa Mall. Para...
Dito kayong gala. Nag-shopping kasi kami.
to fix something, but unfortunately we are very
Disappointed.
we are very disappointed, and we are very pressured because the driver is pressuring us.
He keeps calling.
He keeps calling Mary.
What me? Why me? It's not me, it's you.
And now I don't know where is. Uy, asan siya?
Asa ba yung sasakyan?
Sabi niya same place daw.
Ano ko pa sasakyan? Ito ba yung sasakyan? Hindi pala ito yun.
Hello guys. So we're here in Al-Hasa Mall. Al-Hasa Mall is 15 minutes away from our house. Charot. Tapos hinahanap namin yung taga-maneho kung nasan.
Akala ko yun yung sasakyan.
Kaya nga ako nape-pressure eh. Pressure cooker. So guys, where is...
Ayun.
He's there. So we saw him, and he keeps on waving. Tayyib. And maatrasan ako ng sasakyan dito. Isang Pilipina na uwi ng Pilipinas kasi naatrasan. Patanga-tanga kasi. So this is our ride. We are okay na kami guys, nakasakay na kami, and it's very madilim, di ba? Di ba ang dilim?
Gawa ng iOS yun.
Oo.
Update ng iOS.
Napanood ko nga sa YouTube eh. Gawa ng iOS.
Sometimes hindi appropriate.
So guys,
Appropriate?
feeling ko hanggang dito na lang yung vlog ko kasi masyado nang mahaba. Nag 1 minute and 24 seconds na ako. Pero wait for my next vlog. My next vlog will I show you the road going to our bahay. Hindi na ako mag-i-English kasi maintindihan pa ako nitong taga-maneho. Pagtatawanan niya ako guys. Ganun lang guys. Bye guys. Cover mo na yung camera. Parang tanga.